an easy way to record your mobile screen? Want to demo an application on your mobile device? Would you like to capture the high score of a game on your smartphone? You need Screencast. Use Screencast with My Screen Recorder to record your mobile screen. Screencast and My Screen Recorder are a perfect combination when you need to create a video demo of your mobile screen. My Screen Recorder is a video screen capturing tool that enables you to easily record your videos. Let's see how to configure Screencast with My Screen Recorder. Open Screencast and press the Start button to begin broadcasting. Then open My Screen Recorder, and go to the Recording Options dialog. Enable the Record Mobile Screen option, and select Configure. Then copy the ID and password from your Screencast application. Select the Connect button to see a preview of your mobile screen on your PC. Save the settings and the recording will begin. Now let's see how to create a demo of your mobile screen. Open any application. Here you can show the user how to use the application. You can customize the size of your mobile screen preview window. You can also change its position on the PC screen. Use this hotkey combination to hide or display the mobile screen while the recording is in progress. You can also start, pause and stop the recording process using the hotkeys. Now save the recordings and a video demo of your application is ready. Looks pretty easy, don't you think? Download and try Screencast and My Screen Recorder right now.